Hi everyone, let's see how we can create this slide. It's just pretty simple. You need to create some cylinders and just an end. The cylinders, you create them, and after creating them, it's important to create two of them. You see, these cylinders are created, but there is a thing that you don't understand here is that these cylinders are, you see, it's important to align them perfectly. It's going to be sent to back, and send to back. Everything is great, but you need to copy. At first, let me cut this. You need to create a copy of them and align the copy center. Sorry, you need to align the copy here and then paste the text. The text is a simple one, nothing different. And you need this text. Send this to back. Now I want to recolor them. It's up to you to change the colors or not, but I'm going to recolor the shapes. Format objects. I'm going to change the fills to the color I want. For example, let's go with solid fill and this color. Now copy that here. Let the cylinder out and recolor it. Okay, it's good. Now we need to recolor it also and make it color and just set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. You see, it has a nice transition and I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have a